Good morning. I had the best idea this morning. I thought I'm going to remind people about my workshop that's running on Saturday about the power of the Egyptian temples and the vibrational healing of the chakras. And I'll just jump in the shed very quickly. I won't bother turning the heater on, and I'll nip out again. Oh my goodness, I should not be talking about Egypt when it's so cold in here, but I'm going to. So, have you already got your ticket for Saturday when I am hosting a lecture by Egyptian tour guide and Egyptologist Noha Ali? Now, Noha's business run tours along the Nile to a variety of different temples that are built in alignment with celestial bodies. So planets and stars that line up with Egyptian temples and Egyptian building structures. And that's what her degree was about, actually seeing how the astroarchaeology matched up with these different structures. But she's taking it further for our lecture. As she's gone around these different temples, what she's done is gathered together evidence of recipes that the priests made for sacred oils to help to activate different body centers, energetic centers, in alignment with the celestial rays. So I'm very excited, and it's the first in several things that will be happening over the next month. The next thing, I hope, if I can get my act together, I finished my bit actually, is the release of my Blue Lotus course. And those of you who've been watching intently will know that in March we begin a long study with Blue Lotus and sacred dance, but my work is entirely video based, the study into the history of how the Egyptians seem to use Blue Lotus and how we might be able to use it in medicine today. So I hope that you're excited and you are thinking of coming along. In addition to the workshop on Saturday, Noha will do her bit about the temples, and we're going to be using myrrh oil. And part of the reason for that is one of the her areas of expertise is the Temple of Dendera, which is a temple dedicated to Hathor, and the goddess Hathor is called the mistress of myrrh at Dendera. So I've written a meditation, short meditation, connecting us with the vibration of the goddess, who is joy and fertility and drunkenness and sexuality and music and anything good in my life, apparently, I feel. Hathor. So myrrh. So if you are coming, don't forget to grab your myrrh. However, don't feel that you can't come if you don't have myrrh. You will enjoy it nevertheless, I feel sure. So the link is below, and hopefully I see you on Saturday. It's done at UK times to keep me happy at the moment. So 3 o'clock GMT on Saturday. For those of you who can't make that time, there will be a recording available to you. And of course, within that recording, you'll not only get the lecture, but you'll also have the meditation with myrrh. So you'll be able to experience that for yourself too. And those of you who do make it, of course, you can keep it. Those of you who haven't yet explored the Aromatic Mystery School, if you go through to the booking, the pages about the workshop, you'll be in the Aromatic Mystery School there. And within it, we have a new community called Scent Sorcerers. And it's a hangout for people who are interested in using essential oils in a magical, mystical, spiritual or religious way. You may remember that at Christmas, Francis Bartlett and I did some work to activate the cedarwoods of Lebanon for peace, which hopefully seems maybe might be doing its job. Interestingly, within days, Lebanon got a whole new political structure put in place, which was fascinating to all of us involved. If you didn't go, there are the recordings if you would like to listen to that within the Sorcerers area, but hopefully this is a new place to hang out with people of like-minded sorts. So I hope that I see you on Saturday. I'm so excited for it. And meanwhile, I'm going inside to get warm again. I'm going to imagine I'm in Egypt, see if I can physically warm myself through. As just as a personal note, today of course is Cancer Awareness Day, and I feel like I can't pass by it without acknowledging all the kindness of everybody through our year with cancer. I can tell you that I think we're at the other side. He's eating and speaking fantastically. Places where the tissues were taken from for the grafts are healing well now. And yeah, I always wondered, as a Cancerian, I always thought how not very nice that my star sign was, my sun sign was Cancer. What an awful thing. But I understand now that Cancer brings that out in everybody around you. You have all looked after me so kindly and carefully. The doctors and the nurses, especially at Stoke Hospital, if you get referred to Stoke Hospital, consider yourself extremely lucky. They have been wonderful. And yeah, if you do get the opportunity to do anything to support cancer research, or particularly Macmillan, over the next few days, please do so. They have been fantastic for us, and I do think soon we'll be back to work.